Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. One of the comment I got a lot is how to show the data in real time. So what exactly real time? So they added some data from here and instead of refreshing the page, data automatically comes here like it's happen when you do with the bubble database, right? So let's see how it need to done. So come here, go to your FD database thing and enable this listen to change, right? And then he mentioned copy this command in your Supabase. So go to Supabase, go to SQL editor, just type go to the command alter publication. Okay, alter publication Supabase add table name. So in our case, table name is job. So this is common across. So basically that's saying this table into the real time thing, right? So that we can get the real time update and run it. You got a success. Now, yeah, now just refresh the page. Now we will add the job and make sure it is sorted by the, yeah, created data so that we can see the latest one on the top. So let's say this is testing jobs, company name testing, data full time testing. If I do, oh, it's published. Ah, got the error. We have actually changed the column name. So it's a is underscore publish only, no question mark. So I think we forget to update at the front end side. So what we need to do is come here and change this. So yeah, now if I refresh and say add jobs, say testing, test company, some random. So you can see this testing is automatically come without adding anything, like without refreshing the page. And if you edit them and then also you make change, then also your all the changes will reflect immediately. So that's it. So that's it for this video. I know it's a quick one. Go check it out, my Bubble editor, if you have any question or comment it down.